stop, go back, and play now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the Telesin Universal Tube Clamp, which are specifically designed for GoPro Action Cameras. So without any delay, let's go unbox it. Oh wait, let me assemble it. There you go. Looks great. The build is good. Quality is top notch. Okay, let's go install it on the bike. Okay, where is the GoPro now? Fine, I'll do the snap. And I am Thanos. Oh hey, there you are. Everything is set and let's go test it out now. ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬರೋದು lol, he just asked me to do a wheelie. I said no, I can't. Well, I could have tried, but I'm not wearing any protective gear right now except the helmet. And it requires a lot of practice, by the way, to do a wheelie, which I don't have. Also, I'm not a fan of bike stunts, but sometimes I feel like trying them out. Okay, let's get back to the vlog. Okay, brightness, where are you? Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment what you like to see next. And I'll catch you later.